You live in a world that is changing faster than ever. Every month, a new AI tool replaces something people once spent years trying to master. Today, you will hear the truth. 6 skills that have no real future anymore because AI won. Basic data entry. AI handles data sorting, cleaning, and organizing at a speed no human can match. Companies are replacing manual data entry with automated systems that work non-stop without errors. 2. Simple graphic designing. Tools can generate posters, logos, and thumbnails in seconds. The global design market is shifting toward instant templates and automation, reducing the demand for basic designers. 3. Translation without context. AI already provides near-perfect translations for more than 100 languages. Multinational companies use automated translation systems that are faster and cheaper than hiring basic translators. 4. Manual customer support. Chatbots now manage millions of customer queries every day. They learn from interactions, provide instant responses, and operate across time zones, making entry-level support roles less relevant. 5. Routine accounting tasks. AI software manages invoices, expenses, reports, and financial summaries automatically. Large companies depend on automated systems that reduce the need for junior accountants who only handle repetitive tasks. 6. Traditional market research. AI scans global data, trends, consumer behavior, and competitor activity instantly. Brands no longer need teams doing slow manual research when AI tools can deliver complete reports in seconds.